Hi first graders, today we are doing lesson 5.3, mixed practice with teen problems. So the problems today are mixed. There will be some with unknown totals and some with unknown partners. So we have to pay very close attention to what the problem is giving us and what the problem is asking us for. So the first one says there are 16 flowers in a vase. 7 are white, the rest are red. How many are red? So we have to think about what we know. We know that there are 16 flowers in the vase and that 7 of them are white and that we are looking for how many are red. Sorry that my doggie is making noise. Gigi, stop. So 16 total. All right, that's one thing important to know. We have our white flowers, which we know that there are 7 of them. And the unknown part, we are looking for the red flowers, okay? And I'm sure you friends can figure it out from here. Grab the 7 in your hand, get up to 16. There's also the equation that you could write, which would be 7 plus unknown equals 16. Okay, and remember your label will be red flowers. Let's try another one. Okay. Similar words, similar topic, but the information that we have is different. So there are 7 white flowers and 9 red flowers, okay? And we're looking for how many flowers there are in all. So when we say in all, that's talking about the total. So right now on our mountain, we're looking for the total, how many flowers there are in all. Again, we know that there are 7 white. We know that there are 9 red. We're going to add these two together, right? The two partners go together to give us the total. So right now our equation would say 7 plus 9 equals unknown. Okay, and you can tell that this is related to the equation and the mountain above. There's just the other thing is missing, okay? At the top one, it was an unknown partner. Right now, the total is unknown. Oops. All right. So now our word problem says some white flowers and 9 red flowers are in the vase. There are 16 flowers. How many flowers are white? So again, similar everything except for the information that we know is different now. So we know that 16 flowers is how many we have total, so that goes on the top of the mountain. And the information that we do know is that we have 9 of the red flowers. This time, we're looking for the white flowers, so that's the unknown partner. Our equation would say sum, which we don't know what number that is, plus 9 equals 16. Okay, so you can figure that one out. Again, all these equations are related. We just are missing different elements of each one. And that's going to be our focus today. So I'm going to put these slides on for you. I want you to pause, talk with your homework helper or your substitute teacher, whoever's with you today, and discuss. Do we know the partner? Do we know the total? What are we looking for? Have a piece of paper on the side so you can set up these problems. Okay, you want to do a mountain, you want to do an equation, whatever works best for you, but please make sure you're going to put the answer with the label. Okay, so here's your first one. And again, just pause and play the video as needed. Here's the next one. Audrey has 18 seashells. Some of them are big, 9 of them are small. How many seashells are big? All right, now we're coming to a problem where we have both of the partners unknown. So in this situation, we want to lay out all of the partners of 11. So when you end up with both of the partners unknown, what the question is really asking you is, what are the partners of whatever number it gives you? So maybe it's 14, maybe it's 12, it doesn't really matter. So right here we have 11, so we would lay out all the partners of 11. So for example, 1 and 10. our partners, and you can switch partners 10 and 1, right? Because we're looking for blue and red. So maybe 1 blue and 10 red, or 1 red and 10 blue, or 2 and 9, or 3 and 8, 7 and 4, 6 and 5, 5 and 6, and switch partners, okay? All right. So we have a little bit of workbook page here. Same situation, okay? So make sure you're paying attention to what is a partner, what is the total, and which one you're looking for, as well as paying attention to the label, okay? Remember, sometimes my friends like to look over here and think that this is the label automatically, but it's not always true, because this is actually just teaching you the words in the word problem that you might be struggling with, because maybe bowl is a word that is hard for first graders, so they put it with a picture clue over here so that when you're reading, it is easier for you, okay? So number 1 and number 2 are standard word problems. Number 3 is going to be just like what we talked about when both of the partners are unknown. So like in the last one we used 11, so now it's 14. So when you look for brown puppies and black puppies, you are going to use partners of 14, any partners of 14. So you just have to pick 3 of them. Okay, backside of your workbook, we have more and more practice with word problems. Word problems tend to be the trickiest because, first of all, we have to be able to read them, and then we also have to think through them and decide what we're looking for. Make sure you're showing your work using drawings, numbers, or words. Get that answer in the unknown box and put your label. You do not have to do the bottom. You don't have to do this. Okay. Now there are, oops, that's it. So if you completed all that for today, then you just do about 15 minutes of Prodigy, and that is all. Thank you, friends.